Hey, welcome to another snack time with the Megagon.
Yeah, what's up, guys? Here we are at Grunges.
Grunges.
That's Grunges.
Grunges,
For your neighborhood shopping needs. We thought we'd have a live snack time episode. We just need to pick something out here in the snack aisle of Grunges. Whoa, look at that, cookies.
Let's do cookies.
Can't go wrong with the soft baked,
dude.
Sausalito.
Yeah, dude.
Childhood favorite right here. I'm just gonna dive in here.
Well, it's not snack. You gotta make the snacks.
Oh, you mean we gotta like add to this a little bit? It's not good enough as it is. Yeah, you're right. It needs something else.
Needs something.
Some popcorn. Hey, what about?
There you go.
How about some easy cheese?
There. Cheddar.
Ooh, bacon. You can't go wrong. Easy cheese with cheddar and bacon. So here, Joe.
All right.
Just prepare this for you real quick.
Here we go. Easy cheese with bacon.
Make some easy cheese here.
So how do you make this?
Like this, and then just gonna.
How is it?
This could catch on.
Yeah.
This could be a big thing. The bacon makes anything good. Alright, so easy cheese and Pepperidge Farm. It's a match made in heaven. Joe?
Alright.
Have some... Yeah. What do you think? I'm telling you.
I don't know.
It's not as bad as you thought it would be.
No. It's kind of...
Leave it to the Megagon to try a new combination that's never been done before.
No Megagon.
No?
No.
No Megagon or no?
That's really terrible. Sticking to
Megagon. Alright, well this has been snack time with the Megagon, and it's been a failure.
It's been an epic fail.
But at least it was live, and
yeah.
Now you gotta finish that.
Yeah, whatever.
Alright, we'll just put that there, and we'll just put this back here. Yeah, just like that. No one will know. And just put that.
I need something.
Put that back there, and okay. Well, that's it. All right. Thanks for coming. See you guys.
See ya.
This is Megagon.
Megagon.
Signing off.